For years, Kovax has been known for top-quality sanding and polishing solutions. Now, we bring this expertise to automation with our first robotic sanding system, a game-changer in surface treatment. Through intensive research and collaborations with leading experts, we've created a solution for an industry facing labor shortages and increasing automation demands. At our Kovax European Robotic Solutions Center, we can perform extensive testing to find the perfect combination of robotics and high-quality abrasives. A solution perfectly tailored to your specific needs. We are building a solution-oriented future together with our partners. Automation is an essential part of the journey, and we're committed to growing alongside with you. Are you ready to shape the future of sanding together with us?